A triangle. A triangle is a three-sided figure. This is a triangle. Another triangle. You can draw another triangle. A triangle. You can have different forms of the triangle. The angles go on changing. Now if you see the top angle, it has increased. Now it is reducing, still further reducing. It becomes very small. The angles have become very small. Now I will show you another thing. Now suppose this is 1, this is point 2, and this is 3. Now let us draw a triangle. Now we'll draw a triangle. Now note the angle at 1. It is going on increasing. The angle at 1 has increased. Now the angle at 1 is reducing. It will reduce further. The angle at 2 is increasing now. Angle 2 will increase. Angle 1 will reduce. Angle 3 also will reduce. It is like this. So this is a triangle. Now let us draw a triangle. This is a triangle. It is a three-sided closed figure. This is a circle. What you see is a circle. You can draw a circle of a smaller size or a bigger size. These are the circles. Circle. A circle. You can draw a circle. This is a circle. Now it has increased. The size of it has increased. So what depends on the extreme points? Let us draw the diameter. What do you mean by the diameter? The diameter. Let us find out what is the diameter. Now if you consider this line, it is touching the circle, that is tangent to the circle. Now if you consider another line, the distance between these two lines, is the maximum. That gives the diameter. So the diameter, the point of intersection of the tangent from here to here, this is the diameter. This is the maximum length. If you draw from a line from here to here, it will be a smaller length. If you go here, it will be still smaller. So diameter is the maximum length of the chord in a circle. So it should touch the two opposite points of a circle, then it forms the diameter. And the diameter, it passes through the center of the circle. This is where the two lines intersect. That becomes the center of the circle. So suppose I call this as A. This is A, and this is point T. So the length from A to T, the length of AT is the diameter. Triangle, this forms the triangle. Now the triangle, the first question, how many edges does a triangle have? So we can count them, 1, 2 and 3. Three sides form the three edges of the triangle. How many corners does it have? 1, 2, 3. These are the three corners of the triangle. You can find this shape in the surroundings. You have to search and find out. Use sticks to make the following shapes. So you can make shapes quadrilateral. For instance, the first quadrilateral. So you take matchsticks, you can make use of matchsticks. Matchsticks are like this. So one matchstick, and second matchstick you can take like this, second matchstick, and the third matchstick you can place here. So you can form a triangle. This is a triangle. If you want a quadrilateral, you can place another matchstick over here, so it forms one more and one more matchstick, so this forms the quadrilateral. For the rectangle, the shape of the rectangle, you need opposite sides to be parallel. So a rectangle, two opposite sides are parallel, this also and this also, and the angle here has to be a right angle, then you can have a rectangle, you can make a rectangle. For square, if you see the square in this, all the four sides are equal, so you have to take four matchsticks and form the square like this. With the stick you can form a square, you can form a triangle, you can draw a circle like this. Now, what figure is this? Name of the figure. This is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. So you can write down quadrilateral. This is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. Now, quadrilateral, how many edges does it have? You have to count the number of edges. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it has 4 number of edges. So corners, how many corners does a quadrilateral have? Like this is the corner. You can, in the triangle, this is the corner. So how many corners does it have? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 corners. Now this is the first quadrilateral. Second is a rectangle. Rectangle, how many rectangle? You can write over here, rectangle. How many edges are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 edges. So it is 4. Corners. So how many corners does it have? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 corners. Square. This is a square. You can write a square here. Square. Then number of edges, it has got 4 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of corners, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners as well. Now the next figure. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth figure is a triangle. You can write triangle. Triangle. How many edges does it have? 1, 2, 3. Corners, 1, 2, 3. 3 corners. Circle. This is a circle. You can write circle. Circle. Number of edges, 0. Number of corners, 0. number work. In the table below, number work. In the table below, color the boxes numbers of numbers 1 to 10. If it is 1, you have to make it red. If it is 10, make it red. So let us find which are the numbers from 1 to 10. It should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. If these are the numbers, then we have to paint the box red. So let us make the box red. So first row, not a single. Second row, yes, 8. Then the 5, we have 5 over here. 8, 5, red. Then 4, 4 will be red. Then the fourth row, 1. Fifth row, 2. 9. Sixth row, not a single. Seventh row, 3. Eighth row, 6. Seven. Then you have here not a single in the last row. Now the boxes of the numbers 11 to 20 should be green. So 11 to 20, we have to find the numbers which are 11 to 20. They should be painted green. 11, first row, it is not there. Second row, not a single number, 11 to 20. Third row, yes, we have got 13 over here. 13, 17, 16, 12, 11, 20, 15. Like that you have to complete. 14, this is 14, yes. This 10 should have been red. This should have been red. 10 should have been red. So this way we have to complete all the numbers.